Afternoon, everybody. Looking at a 2020 Lincoln Continental with front end collision damage. We'll start on the left front. You need to replace the left front fender. You need a hood. You need the front bumper support, front bumper assembly, both headlights, radiator, condenser, the right fender as well. Doors back looks pretty clean. Take a look inside. Nice panoramic roof, leather interior, no airbags deployed. Keypad. Actually, I take that back. There's one airbag deployed. Knee airbag. Strange. Take a look under the hood. You need an upper radiator, well, you need the whole radiator support. You need the bumper assembly, attaches here, it's bolt on. Frame rail looks good. Aprons look good, strut tower looks good. Motor is sitting in place. No damage to the front of the motor. Need a radiator, condenser. Aprons look good on this side. Strut tower looks good. This piece unbolts. It's the bumper support. That's the frame rail. Frame rail is intact. No damage. You could basically assemble this nose with bolt-on parts. Easy, very easy fix. You literally buy all the parts, tear down the damaged parts, and just bolt everything back on and paint the nose, and you're done. Nice car. Windshield is good also, and it has heads-up display. Thanks for watching.